Hey, welcome back. Steve AZ711 here. I got this Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volt 3-speed half-inch impact wrench, which is advertised at 300 foot-pounds of torque, 3 speeds, and tri-LED lights. Okay, this is it. It's a bare tool, no batteries. This is the way it comes packaged. It has 3-speed switch on top. 3 is the fastest speed. It has 3 LED lights in the front. This is a half-inch drive impact wrench. Got the usual Ryobi left and right, tighten and loosen, and in the middle is a lock. To use this tool, you need a battery, and if you got other Ryobi tools, batteries will fit. This is the smaller battery. For heavier applications or extended life, you probably want to get a larger battery, such as this one I have here. I usually just set it on and snap it down like that, and it's on there. Okay, here's speed, low speed. Next to low speed, second. And 3 speeds. According to the box, this has 300 foot-pounds of torque, and that's one reason I went with the Ryobi, other than the fact that I have other Ryobi tools that you've seen from my videos. And the fast speed is 2900, the second speed is 0 to 2400, and the low speed is 0 to 2000 for precision fastening, it says. The third speed up here in the front, 2900, is for maximum torque, and the second speed is for controlling driving depth and fastener tension. So take it loose on 3, bolts back with 2, and then put your torque wrench on it. The back page of the manual explains in detail of what I just showed you here, probably. And that's about it. So there she is. Torque wrench is set for 100 foot-pounds. Put it on 3 speed. Okay, you want to take it loose on 3. She works just fine for that job, and it isn't too noisy too. So we're going to try and take another lug nut loose with the smaller battery. This was a small battery. It did loosen one that was at 100 foot-pounds of torque. I don't know if it would have made it loosening all of them, but it's good to know. Steve AZ711 saying bye for now.